Bernina 335 and 325. Our video tutorial explains the first steps operating the touchscreen. In the presser foot display, the recommended presser foot for the selected stitch is displayed with its number. When selecting the icon, a display with alternative presser feet for the selected stitch appears. Under the two icons Stitch Plate, Needle Selection, you can select the attached stitch plate as well as the inserted needle. When sewing with the zigzag stitch and a twin needle, this is a security function that prevents the needle from hitting the stitch plate and the presser foot. Depending on the inserted needle, select the corresponding icon. The stitch width will be automatically limited. The current needle type and size can be saved as a reminder for the next sewing project. Even after the machine is switched off, this information is retained and can be looked up. Detailed information on the feed dog settings is available by selecting the icon. It can be set that the machine stops with needle up or down while sewing. Stitch width and length can be changed either directly on the screen or by using the corresponding buttons. For more details, refer to the video tutorial First Steps Operating the Machine. To create the stitch pattern combination, the combination mode must be activated. Find more details in the video tutorial Combi Mode and Memory. The Edit submenu contains different functions depending on the selected stitch. For example, a stitch can be sewn permanently in reverse. Changes are indicated by a yellow frame, even if the window is closed. Press Clear to reset the settings. Depending on the fabric, a stitch pattern may not be sewn out correctly. With the balance function, you can fine-tune and correct it. Compare the sewn sample with the display and adjust the balance so that the preview corresponds to the incorrectly sewn stitch pattern. The result is precisely sewn stitch patterns. Maximize or minimize the display of the stitch selection. Stitches can be either selected directly or searched by stitch number. Practical stitches, decorative stitches, alphabets, buttonholes, and quilting stitches are at your disposal. Altered stitch patterns, buttonholes, or stitch combinations can be saved in the Personal folder. The procedure of saving into the personal memory is shown in detail in the video tutorial Combi Mode and Memory. In Home, you can find Personal settings and Help. Set the sewing speed and the color and the type of screen in the settings. If you select the machine function, you will be taken to another submenu. Find Machine, dealer and service data in information. Delete data from the personal folder or return to the basic settings. Further information for lubricating and updating the machine is available in maintenance. See the separate video tutorials Cleaning and Oiling and First Steps Operating the Machine. Quick Help contains information about how to calibrate the buttonhole foot 3A. More information about operating the machine is available in the tutorial. The consultant supports you for different sewing projects. First, select the project material. Then, select the application. Recommendations on needle, thread, thread tension, stitch, presser foot and stabilizer are displayed. By confirming, the machine automatically switches to the suggested stitch and the settings are made automatically.
Bernina, made to create.